Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Messi and on today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to take your pant trouser measurement. Okay, this tutorial is very detailed and is beginner friendly. Please stay tuned to the end of this tutorial. Now our first measurement is going to be our round waist measurement. Now place your tape across your back waist down to your front. Okay, down to your front. And please make your tape stay firm on the waist because you will not want the trouser to be very loose on at the waist side. Okay, make it firm, not tight, firm, so that it can be able to stay at the waist and not falling off. All right, now the next measurement is our hip measurement. Now I advise you take particular measurements at the side, not at the front. Okay, take it at the side. Now you will not want to make this place too tight. Okay, make it a bit loose so that the tape can be able to go up and down. Okay, up and down. All right, so the next measurement is our crotch measurement. Now to take your right crotch measurement, advise you get a seat that has a flat surface. Okay, like mine, get a seat that has a flat surface. All right, now sit on that seat. Okay, then put the beginning of your tape wherever your trouser waist is and take that tape down to the surface of that seat. Now that first number that lay flat on your seat is your right crotch measurement. I repeat, that number that lay flat on your seat is your crotch measurement. All right, now the next measurement to be taken is our lap measurement. Okay, so this is how you take your lap measurement. Okay, take it at the side, not at the front. All right, take it at the side. Okay, now don't make this place too tight. All right, don't make it too tight, make it flexible, not loose, flexible. All right, now the next measurement is our round knee measurement. Our round knee measurement. So round your knee with your tape and place your hand here. Don't make this place too tight also. All right, don't make it too tight. Right, now the next measurement is our ankle measurement. Okay, now because of your claws, because of the passage of your leg, your leg has to pass through from the waist down. Okay, so you don't make it too tight unless your fabric is very stretchy. All right, make it loose here, loose. All right, don't make it too tight so that your leg can be able to pass. Okay, now the next measurement will be our waist to our knee measurement. Now if you're the one taking the measurement by yourself, don't measure it this way. Like, don't put the beginning of your tape on your waist if you're the one taking the measurement by yourself. All right, you take it this way, the tape upside down. Now take the beginning of tape should touch your knee. Okay, as soon as it touch your knee, then the nurse hand should pin it down where you want your trouser waist, where your trouser waist normally stay. Okay, so this is how you get your knee length if you're the one taking your measurements by yourself. The same apply to your trouser length. Take the tape downward to your ankle. So it depends on where you want your trouser to be. If you want your trouser to be on your ankle, you take it down to your ankle. If you want it to be at the floor length, you take it down to the floor length. Okay, I know you may not be seeing the tape down, but I know you understand what I am saying. If you want your trouser to be very long, that is touching the floor, then take the tape to the floor. Let the tape touch the floor. All right. And if you don't want it to be touching the floor, you want it to end at your ankle here. Now take the tape down to touch your ankle. Okay. So these are the basic trouser measurements that you need. All right. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to draft your trouser. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to cut your trouser. So please, I want you to like this video. share it to your friends and family, and most importantly, subscribe so that next time when I upload, you will get notified. Thank you.